And you're right. Like, just to kind of boost up what you're saying here, is that when you go into college, it's not just book knowledge. It's you're learning how to coordinate with other people. You're learning how to work in groups. You're learning soft skills like public speaking. You're learning how to be patient with others, and you're learning slowly how to interact with people with completely different personalities than you, that have completely different beliefs than you. And that learning right there, if you pick up on it, is very valuable. And so that's what Larry is saying, and I agree. But what I'm saying is that bring people in and give them the actual on the job training, and then allow them to help them go to school. Hell, you could just help them, give them the time to go to school, give them the resources and money to go to school, and then let them get that degree while they're on the job training. And then you boosting them up and having good quality benefits and stuff will help. They might even say, look, I want to stay here. If they leave, they come back, they will consider it. So that's what I'm saying. Let me see here. I got some more people from TikTok. Let me see here. TikTok. I'm just going through you guys' comments here. Alex says, hey, I want to break into IT in the help desk role, but the only experience I have is IT foundational skills and customer service. What would you recommend? Um, Whatever industry you happen to be in, there's a couple. I have to see where you're at. So I always tell people, start where you're at. And what I mean when I say that is that start where you're at is, if you happen to be in the healthcare industry, there's probably an IT job for you there. I would say, if you happen to be there, look for IT jobs in that industry you're in. Whatever job you happen to be, look for IT jobs where you are, because it's going to be possibly the easiest transition you can make. They already know you're an employee. You already got most of the paperwork and with HR straightened out. If they happen to have career, go to their career page and see if they have an IT department. Now, if you don't have a job, that's much more difficult. If you have no job, you have no IT experience at all, that is really hard. But what you can do is look for um, cable jobs are really a really good entry into IT, because you're learning basic networking skills. Another one would be technical customer support, over the phone or in person. Sometimes you have a local field tech positions that don't require a high school diploma, or that's all they require. They require you to speak English. They require, and that's pretty much it. And then you come in, and then they'll teach you the skills. And those are not going to pay well, but it's a good way to at least get your foot in the door and start. Thank you, Live and Learn. I appreciate that.